Guys, so this is our new venue, right? Called Elysium. They're based in Somerset in Heidelberg Village Center, Village Walk actually, Village. You can say Heidelberg Village Center, right? So it's in kind of like a mall, a small center. It's in Somerset West, right? Um, I just came outside because it's a small walk kind of inside here. But this is how it looks. It's very difficult to see now that it's sunshine. But if you go inside, so it's a coffee shop, like a restaurant coffee shop. So this is an existing client of ours. They have Adventura, right, in Somerset. So what we had to do is just copy their database over onto this. It's just a new shop. They're using exactly the same things that was an Adventura in this shop, Elysium. Yeah. So this is basically the restaurant, you can say, right? Got some seating outside as well. Okay. So this is our point of sale. Here we go. Right. And then you got your kitchen here. Okay. So we have installed one POS terminal pre-owned, two pre-owned printers, and a tabs device. Okay. Then you got your kitchen printer, which is here. Okay. Everything is working. Everything prints okay. It's just the kitchen printer. There is a small issue. It's not cutting the paper right, which they will speak to Clayton about. Clayton will quote them for a new printer because we don't have any pre-owned as far as I know. Clayton will quote them for a new printer, and then we can bring it probably back next week. They are happy with it next week. So this is the place. And the cable as well, as you can see, the cable is running from the terminal at the moment, right, directly to the printer, because they got no Wi-Fi router. They did get a switch, so once they get the switch and they get the Wi-Fi router connected together, they will then put the cable, make some holes on top here. They got a small route that they're thinking of putting the cable. The router is going to go on top, and the switch will also go on top, and then the cable will come through that cupboard, behind the cupboard, through here and into the printer. So for now it's just connected like this to the terminal, but they will then sort out the cabling once they get their route and everything sorted out.